hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe, must smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today's topic now about all those our girls. Wey be say they go jam better guy. Fine boy not go let them see road. Fine boy, you not go let them see road. Now I want to talk about today. So I want give advice to them. Our girls of nowadays, if you jam guy, not they look fine boy again. Not they look say the boy not too fine, the boy not too tall. What do you want use tall do? What do you want use the tall guy do? Dogoyaro. Because if they look for a tall guy, if you can't carry tall guy finish, you no go get sense. It says go there on down of your leg. Now that one you they look for. Now that one you they look for. Why you no go pray say may God give you a nice guy, a God-fearing guy will go there with you, like you go there, you go there happy, you go there feel love. You go there look for fine boy they go. Who fine boy happy? Fine boy, they know the hear word. Fine boy, they behave like small pikin. I'm not talking saying all fine boy, or man, not get me wrong. Go. Some fine boy, they go they look themselves, say they're too fine, like they're too cute. They're not gonna help you do anything for house because in the look itself saying too much. After all, go get another girl for her side. You see that one will not too fine. I know to not be see or see get good character at least. All those ones will be say they're not too fine. They just they like okay, my dear. All those ones where be say go they respect to take care of you. It better pass all those fine but where you will go they look for like they look for the one where you love. No. Now they will for the get her wrong. If you want to look for a guy, look for a man where go where in love you, in your love pass your own. Not be the one where you go love, where you go love, once you go half, you know go get for you. That relationship is not going anywhere. That relationship not they work at. You see the one way be say the one way be say na he love you pass, he go dey carry you like egg. You go dey respect you. That feelings like he go dey carry you like queen where you be. No be fine boy connection. We go dey look yourself say too fine. Before you talk anything, go they look mirror 100 times. They shave in BS. They do like say they never see him before. You don't need all those ones. Don't work on the pay me pass and now woman will be say don't feel bump pikin before. You go see they say this they look for fine boy. Fine boy when you feel carry away you born for make you talk, it make you single mother. You see they look for the one way tall. The one way tall. Okay, see one that day now. He jam one guy. He said the guy did nice to him. He said the guy really respect and the guy did nice, like the guy they take care of him. Okay, what it can make you now? He said the guy did okay. The guy, he said they never see face to face, but the guy they really like, they respect him, they send money, give him, they take care of him, they do everything for him. But that kind of man, now people they look for my people. Am I dreamy here? Not be that kind of man good. I be my people. Not be that kind of man where they take care of you. He never ever see you. They work. They send money give you. They buy things for your children, for your pikin. When you get, you say the guy not too fine. The guy black. Sometimes some guys don't know how to take care of themselves. Some guys don't know better cream when they go they use. But if they don't come your life, you now go come the help them. They tell them say, okay, my sweetheart. See cream where you go to use. See what you go to use for your body. That's all. But now will not be like that. You have to look for the one way clean come. Where you come to use you the one way your ass smart use you finish. You can continue from there. And that one now not like. You can make you be second single mother again. And that no, it's too late. Well, I don't need all those kind one. I don't know why they say our girls, they always they made that mistake. Oh, fine boy help. I really want to talk to una today because una all they too much. I look for fine boy. Boy way too fine. Boy way too cute. My dear, you don't need all those ones. You don't need all those ones again. You need God-fearing man. A man that will help you. Not look for all those one wey be say I dey look for the one way too tall. Who tall help? Who he help? Who he help? He go only make you be single mother. Hmm? Some people will be say they too tall, even some women. Some people will be say they too tall. They don't they get sense. They don't they get sense. Because God don't just give you everything. Their sense they do under their leg. See, the one will not too tall. We be say is some not be all hair. Some will be say they're not too tall. They go get sense pass so even tall. Even age self. Some people will be say they don't you say they did for the 20 years. They don't they get sense if they talk. Their sense under their leg 90 day. So my dear, when I dey look for all those ones, so we say too tall, and I dey look for tall guy, I dey look for cute guy. Who cute help? Okay, that kind of girl now we be say is jam better guy wey dey like say because the guy is not too tall and he black. Because of that one, in dey look for fair guy. They tell one live video presenter, another one go tell am say my dear, that one so that guy so na for me that guy go good for you. Now go better pass for you. You see many women today will be say they fear be single mother. They don't learn from their mistake. They constantly turn to another second single mother. That second mistake not be mistake again. No. That one na mumurity. Mumu.com. They don't write am for before and say you go be mumu forever. Don't be lie. Mumu.com na they be. Because they go know. Say road not there all because they look for fine boy. They go there, they die in silence there. They go there, they fool themselves there. You know? So I beg, when would they use our HQ? When would they use our number 6, our Kanushi? When would they use them? When would they use them? If you jump guy will be say not too cute like that, follow him. Not the look for fine boy. I'm not going to only make you be single mother again. Boys were to find that's what they would a mirror 100 times. Man, we they always look mirror 100 times. Some those kind of guys. Hey. Now that feel where do ya? All smart whoever the more the women now they be you. They don't they help you. Not be all fine boy or some fine boys they go, but some my dear, our girls they always get them wrong. They say that they look for fine boy. Who fine boy help? That makes you some they 40 years they never still married, they never still born one pikin. All because of you, they look for fine boy. And you know the funny part, you go they look his station. I get small station. I get that your small station go they deceive you, but you know they look your age. You go they look small station because he gets small station. My dear, now there you come to say the time when you come to say, I don't reach 40 you, it don't late. So now when we say you never reach that age, use your time well. Not the look for fine boy not help anybody. You look for God fearing man. Pray may God give you your husband will be say no matter what you go do, he go to tolerate you. He go to respect you for outside. He go to carry you like queen where you be. You go able to say, God, why where you there since why I not queen meet you? When you let me go for visit for the man when I born for before. You go able to ask that kind of thing. So now those kind men na ain't good for our life. Even though he quiet, leave him, follow him. Some say it's too quiet. It's too quiet for my liking. It's too quiet. I don't want to follow my way to the quiet. My dear, now the one where they talk, we go see anything for outside. You know, he mouth not go close, and that one we go they disgrace you. When your friends go now go they gisting go even that mouth go even long pass for inside. And that kind of man you they look for. You don't need all those kind of men again. As a single mother, you have to put respect for yourself. You understand? So I beg now this little harvest I just get for now. More now they take and busy for all those fine boy matter. Now what I just get to tell you today. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. My Ogbonge people, anything you think about this video, you can leave your comments for the comment section. If you disagree for what I talk, still leave your comments. I go see read them. No, so thank you and bye.